you really need to stop hitting yourself every single day of your life. It's already very difficult to get into a workout routine and then do a diet plan and then get into a healthy lifestyle. And finally, when you picked up yourself and you decided to push yourself and do this entire routine, one simple thing that is a piece of cake is actually taking you a step back. You're feeling guilty about it. You're running an extra mile for it just because you burn those calories. You end up missing out on an entire meal just because of a piece of cake. What you really need to understand is that 80% of your diet or your workout or your fitness lifestyle needs to go according to the plan. And 20% is something you leave for life. You leave it so that you enjoy life. You let life happen to you. 80%, go ahead, follow it, concentrate on that 80% and stop thinking about that one piece of cake. Imagine you just ended up thinking about that one piece of cake for so long, hitting your head over it, so you stressed up yourself, then you missed out on the next meal altogether. That means your protein intake went down, your carb intake went down, your nutrition went down altogether. And then you also started running an extra mile just because of that one little thing, which doesn't even count in that entire plan you've made. You have hit your head and stressed out yourself and increased your cortisol levels and messed up your plan of action. What if you just forgot about it and moved on and moved on and went on with your week? So you literally messed up like 1% of your diet. Like, think about it, 7 days, 21 meals, one meal's portion is something you happen to eat. Would that really matter to your entire 99% of your diet? No, right? So start concentrating on the positive parts of life. Start concentrating on things like, all right, I ended up having that piece of cake. So what? I did complete my protein intake that day. That's how you start thinking. I did hit the workout that day. Not hitting yourself and telling yourself that no, I had that piece of cake, now I have to go run. Now I have to do more reps of your workouts. Nah, your body is a human body and it'll digest and it'll take care of it. It'll probably give you a little more energy to kind of feel happy and push yourself and do a little more of exciting work altogether. But you need to start shifting your perspective from the negative to the positive. This is what a healthy and mindful lifestyle teaches you. Two things you really need to take care of from now on. One is concentrate on having a great 80% and leave 20% to life. And two, start focusing on the positives. And let the negatives relax, it'll automatically fade away. Let me know in the comments if you've tried shifting your perspective and it's actually worked. And if you've already tried shifting your perspective, comment down so that others feel motivated that actually thinking about the positives really work out. Signing off, Disha Meti Khandelwal.